to call. So sing the song under the twilight fall. In the future you'll be erased like shadows fading from the light. All our memories misplaced, drifting off into the night. I'll make you say how proud you are of me. Through every challenge I stood tall and free. From the shadows I emerged to see the light that shines, my true destiny. And I'll rise, rise above it all. With every step I'll never fall. After all this time I'll leave one mark. I'll make you say how proud you are of me. Every dream I chase, every tear I shed, led me to this moment where I've been led to a place where I can finally see your pride reflecting back at me. Every dream I chased, every tear I shed, led me to this moment where I've been led to a place where I can finally see your pride reflecting back at me. You don't have to live to become like me. Just grab my hand and we'll be free. I have decayed for way too long just to save you from yourself. I had enough. I'll make you say how proud you are of me. Through every challenge I stood tall and free. From the shadows I emerged to see the light that shines, my true destiny. And I'll rise, rise above it all. With every step I'll never fall. After all this time I'll leave a mark. I'll make you say how proud you are of me. Of me. Every dream I chased, every tear I shed, led me to this moment where I've been led to a place where I can finally see your pride reflecting back at me. Every dream I chased, every tear I shed, led me to this moment where I've been led to a place where I can find